Good morning. Today in this class we are going to discuss about new concepts in modern banking. So this is fourth module 45th session economics BA third semester. New concepts in modern banking. The modern banking after LPG ಅಂದರೆ ಉದಾರೀಕರಣ ಖಾಸಗೀಕರಣ ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಗತೀಕರಣ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲಿಬರಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ. All Indian banks were forced to compete with world banks that were permitted to open their branches in India. As a result, all banking customers were offered multiple and model banking products which are different from traditional and conventional banking system in India. And these banking functions are mostly based on information technology. So, such modern banking services include new products such as core banking solutions, no frills account, demat accounts, net banking, e-banking, mobile banking, debit cards, credit cards, automated teller machines and insurance etc. ಅಂದರೆ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಸುಧಾರಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು, ಕ್ಯೂವಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂದಿರಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲಿ ಕೈಯಿಂದನೇ ಬರೀತಿದ್ರು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ₹1000 ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟೆಡ್ ₹1000 ಅಂತ ಕೈಲಿಂದನೇ ಬರೀತಿದ್ರು. ಆಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೌ ಅ ಡೇಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರೈಸ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಡೆಯೂ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ 1991ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರಿಗೆ ಈ LPG ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಸುಧಾರಣೆಗಳು ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನವರೆಗೂ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. And also we are using those services. Okay, for example, you all have ATM cards, okay, in your wallet, and any transactions we will receive some messages from the bank, okay, some insurance, and you can create demat accounts in the banks, and net banking, core banking solutions. These all are new modern facilities we are using from the bank. Now, first one is core banking solutions, CBS. Core banking solution is networking of branches which enables customers to operate their accounts and avail banking services from any branch of the bank on CBS network, regardless of where the maintains his account. This CBS helps the customers. ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರಿಗೆ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕು, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇನ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಚ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ನೀವು ಅದೇ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಯಾವುದೇ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಕೋರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರೀಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಚಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲಿ, ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರೀಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ and debit and credit entries in the account, to obtain cash payments out of his account by tendering a check, to deposit a check from credit into his account, to deposit cash into the account, to deposit checks, to get statement of account. All these services we can get from these core banking solutions. Okay, so next, no frills account. These accounts are opened mostly in rural areas as part of financial inclusion projects encouraged by Reserve Bank of India. Means doorstep. These accounts are opened by banks without the condition of maintaining minimum balance. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಕನಿಷ್ಠವಾಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹಣವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇಡಲೇಬೇಕನ್ನುವ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಈ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. No charge will be levied on non-operation activation of incorporative basic saving banks accounts. No frills accounts are mainly aimed to take the banking facility to the poor people in the unbanked rural areas and semi-urban areas. These facilities are called as no frills account. Now coming to the demat account, these are maintained by banks for high value transactions which are maintained in electronic forms for dealing in shares and securities of the customers, mostly dealing in government bonds. If you want to invest in shares, you have to open demat account. So now coming to the net banking, this is familiar. This is the easy way of doing banking from the convenient place of the customer and avoids check or delay, queue or delay. We can also check balance, transfer funds, pay bills, open fixed and recurring deposits in the through net bank only. Each customer is given a unique user ID and password for the purpose of accessing internet banking. Electronic means to transfer funds from one account to another account by ways of NEFT, RTGS, and IMPS. NEFT long form is National Electronic Fund Transfer. RTGS means real time gross settlement. IMPS means immediate payment services. These all services we are getting through net banking. So now lockbox or night safe services. These services are provided by some banks. Lockbox helps the customers, particularly the traders, to keep checks and other remittances in a box for next day collection, and certain entries should be passed. Night safe service is used to the traders who receive large amount of money after the banking hours and who feel insecure at their premises. So those are using lockbox or night safe services. Now coming to the debit card and credit card, we all using these cards. A debit card is a plastic payment card that can be used instead of cash when making purchases. It is similar to a credit card, but unlike a credit card, the money debited directly from the user's bank account when performing the transactions. It is also known as a bank card, plastic card, or check card. Mobile banking. Mobile banking is a service provided by banks or other financial institutions that allow their customers to do financial transactions using mobiles like smartphones or tablets. It is quick and simply way of banking. Mobile banking app helps to check the account balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and other services, recharge, insurance, booking film tickets, etc. Now coming to the ATMs, this is here we are on this your screen. This is a picture of ATM here. This is an electronic device which helps the customers for withdrawal, deposit money, transfer fund, etc. Round the clock. For availing the service of ATM, the customer need ATM card with PIN number, personal identification number. It provides 24 into 7 and 365 days year services. Insurance. Insurance is a means of protection from financial loss. It is an arrangement by which the company undertakes to provide a guarantee of compensation for specified loss, damages, illness, or death in return of payment of specified premium. The largest insurance company in India is owned by government. For this modern banking facilities, you can refer Monetary Economics, ABN Kulkarni or ABN Kalkundrikar, and ML Shait, and YouTube, Microeconomics of Banking by Frixias or Rochett, etc. Thank you.